Hello everybody, welcome to another IamCat video. And if you're wondering why am I right next to a sink? Well, that is because we're gonna try to flood Granny's house and trying to drown her herself. So let's get started on trying to flood her house. We need to make sure the drain is pushed all the way in. Break it. Probably. Turn the water faucet on full and just wait. Or, since the sink is movable, yeah, that's gonna work. So we're just gonna wait that. And on the next video of IamCat, what should I do next? Woo! What should I do next of IamCat VR? Granny's just frozen there, standing there. Yeah, what are you gonna do about it? Yeah, you're stuck. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it, huh? What are you gonna do about it? And Granny did that. Granny got herself stuck. Can't believe she did that. But that idea isn't working. How about she's still trying to chase me? Granny, you stop. You can calm down. Oh, she's got through. What about whoa. I just got a great idea. The aquarium. We need to break the aquarium to flood the house. Let's do that. Our mark spot is right here. So, come on. Take your time. Oh, the fish are coming to stop me, but scratches are on the outside. But you have nothing to do about it. Fishes, you have nothing to do about it. What are you gonna do about it? Gonna have Granny to help you? She only gets mad when I break one of her stuff. Or knock her out. Oh, there's nothing you can do about it. You just, yeah. Well, the scratches didn't do anything. What about the knives? Surely the knives are metal, and that is glass, so it has to break it. Oh. And if this doesn't work, I know one thing that will break this fish tank. Run. Come on. That didn't work. This is my last idea to flood her house. This. This has to work, right? And we're not just gonna try to flood her house and drown her. We're also gonna try different things. So that idea does not work. So to do this idea, to drown her, let's move on to trying to drown her. Right, so you grab a mug, you place it right there, make sure there's no water out of it. It's okay if you spill a little, you just have to be no more venom. Hi, then boom. You knock Granny out, make sure she's knocked out that way. You walk backwards. Make sure you keep an eye on Granny, because apparently when you look away from her for a few seconds when she's knocked out, she will come back awake. That's fine. There's a lot more water than it looks like. Come on, go. I think we drowned her. We did it. We did it. We did it. Huh? Oh wait, she's still drowning. We did it. Oh, time for the other things I want to try now. Can we hit Granny with a frying pan? This is for revenge from all the times she hit me with a frying pan. Oh! Knocked out. I think I killed her. But she never dies. I don't think Granny can ever die. Nice shiny golden claws. Nice shiny golden claws. Can you calm down? So, and I want you to see my new pet robot. Sparky! Hey, Sparky. Hey. Hey, champ, how you doing? Apparently he doesn't like when I pick him up. Oh, you're sleepy? Okay. I'll put you to bed. Granny's calm down. Hey, calm down. Calm down, mean. He's sleeping. Good night. Good morning. Even though it's really morning. It's really morning. Well, it's morning when I made this video. And I want you to meet my pet fish. His name is Flops. And he's never breathed water before. And he is right over there. And we're gonna also try to make him a home. So first this is our first attempt to make him a home. We grab a bowl. We don't need the others. Don't break it, but you can break it if you want. Place it right there. And place Flops in. And Flops has got a home. That thing has took some. Oh! Whoa, that failed. Get rid of a ball. This is our second attempt. And also our last attempt before we put him in the aquarium. I also know which Flops it is. We need to get the pot. The literal pot. Yes, you heard me right. We need to take the lid off. We can take the lid on. We can put the lid back on when we do this. Oh yep, just go ahead and go down there. Fill it up with the water. Here you go. Place Flops in there. Flops has got a home. Let's go. And water's still spilling out. I know it's a little rough in there, Flops, but I'm gonna put you on the island. I don't really know if this is the island. It's okay if there's no water in there. He's still fine. See? He's still breathing. Why do I keep letting go of it? I need to put it on. Are you kidding me? There's no ruckus happening, Granny. Why is it so heavy? It's so heavy. Gosh. We're gonna put it right there. Yeah. We need to fill it up with water again. Right. So, don't. Very careful. Get up! Not what it looks like. I'm just trying to make Flops a home. That's fine. He can breathe without water anyway. Calm down. Calm down. Yeah. Calm down. It's fine. Ooh, I like these. I'm gonna check on Flops later. I like the. Ooh. Whoa, this looks cool. Whoa, cute fires. Oh, wonder why that's red. What? That's probably fine. That's probably fine. Probably fine. It's probably fine. Flops is enjoying his new home, isn't he? I know he is. He loves his new home. Let's check on him one more time. What? 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 Why is he black? Probably nothing. What? Get the lid off! Flops? 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 No! No, 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 Flops, Flops, warning me, Flops, hear my words, Flops, Flops. No, I killed him. I accidentally killed him. Time to. My pet fish, he's dead, he's gone. Wait, what? What? Well, yeah, at least has a home now. Enjoy your home, Flops. I thought he was dead. And also, I have never been up here, but what is up here? I know we can climb walls, so this is gonna be easy. Oh, no, no. No. The shelf! Can we open the door? Yep. No, we cannot close the door. I meant we cannot open. Hi. No! And grab on. Oh, this is on the upstairs. There's a balloon up there. Let's go get it. Whoa. Whoa. There's another balloon. Whoa! Whoa. Get. Wait. Scratch. So, why there's surfboards, you ask? Because Granny used to be a surfboarder, but now she's not anymore. I'm gonna bonk my head on the... Ow! I'm gonna bonk my head on the clock. Ow! Ow. What's that right there? It's probably nothing. So, we failed to flood Granny's house. We succeeded to drown Granny. And we successfully woke up Sparky. And we successfully almost killed Flops. And we successfully went up there and scratched one of her surfboards. So bye. Oh, there's a knife. Bye.